Welcome guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change how long notifications stay on the screen in Windows 11. This video is pretty straightforward and pretty easy. So what you want to do is just be in Windows, then you want to go to the bottom of Windows, right click on Windows, click Settings. Then when you're gonna have the settings, press Accessibility. Then you're gonna have the visual effects here, and then you're gonna have like the information dismiss notifications after this amount of time. You can go like 15 seconds or longer or shorter, completely up to you. So that's pretty much it how we do it. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye. I will just